Hello everyone! Today is Kuya Ian's back to school night. Supposed to be tomorrow, but his teacher has an important thing to do tomorrow. So that's why he decided to do it today. Sabay sana sila ni Ian. So si Ian muna ngayon and then bukas si Ian. Ayan, punta na kami sa room niya. Ito ang room ni Kuya 37. Dito ka nakaupo, Kuya? Yeah? That's about it. Ayan, tapos na. 1 hour inabot, diba? Iba na pag nasa 4th grade na level na eh. Ang daming tinatako. Ayan. So, wala sila masyadong work kasi more on anong tinaka ng teacher niya. Kung anong ginagawa sa klase niya. So, ayan. Bukas naman kay Ian. Hello. Ito yung continuation. Back to school night naman ni Ian. So, let's see. Let's go to Ian's room.
Room 6.
Room 6. Hey, quiet. Here's the room. Welcome to our base. See, alam mo na gagawin mo. Here, my self-portrait by Ian. Look at your eyes. With that earrings? You work me, Ian. What is this like? Explain it to me.
I'm outside.
What?
I'm outside.
You're outside? Okay, what are you doing outside?
Playing.
Huh?
Playing.
Playing? Okay, good.
What happened to the tree?
Oh, look.
Why are the birds?
She's outside playing.
Why are your hair is like that?
What is this?
Sun.
Oh, bird. Oh, there's a sun. And what is this?
Tree.
Okay, and this one?
Grass.
Oh, okay.
Pink.
Which one is yours? That yours? Gingerbread niya. Ayan ang school bus niya.
And some of my friends have stick.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
they have a
because
lot
your
of
name is
letters. Yep. Your name
my name
has
is short
only
as
3
well.
letters. That's why.
And you're the most shortest.
Because I got 30 this. But again, these are just important dates to go ahead and jot down. We're working for a child's success.
Oh, wow. Good job, na. Organized. Okay. Yung ano mo, yung punch card mo. Good job, na. So they do have a cookie jar. They will get a prize if they fill up the cookie jar. They have that one, their numbers, and then if they're good at that, and then they will put here if they did a good job. If not, over there. Slow down and think about it. What number are you now? There you go. Oh, leave it there now. Leave it there. Oh, yeah. Of course. It means you have a good day. Or a great day. So, pag na-fill up nila yung 10 na stickers sa punch card, may free sila sa Panda Express. Papakita lang nila. Pa na yung mga ano nila eh. Yung mga paperworks nila. Okay po.
Or do we just leave it like that?
Alright.
That's my name.
We'll see.
Wait lang, I know.
I'm checking it now. What's this? Can you tell me what's this?
You need to paint.
What's that? Can you tell me? Okay, good. I can color my name. I can trace my name. I can write my name.
Oh, she did it.
All tracing. What is this? Is this uppercase or lowercase? Okay, good. Then tracing shapes. Ooh, trace your name with each color. Gingerbread.
You're practicing your letters too?
And then number. Oh, counting gingerbread man. Okay. Okay, next. Practice. Okay. My goodness, kayang-kaya.
You need to cut. You need to cut.
Oh, so you're practicing how to cut a paper, huh? That's all? Okay. Okay, they have all their paperwork here. She's number 16.
What are you eating?
Good. Katatapos lang ng back to school night nila. Of course, I asked her teacher how is she in the class. She's quiet naman daw. At least she's quiet, hindi siya yung maingay. Pero pag nagtanong daw siya about the lesson, unang-unang nagtataas ng kamay. O, diba?